some pairings, which is this one, which is lubed, just a little though, a little lubed. There is this one, which is stock. This is a space bar. This is a arrow key. I lube this a tiny bit. Only a tiny bit though. Stock versus a little bit lubed. Which one do you think sounds better? Yeah, I'm gonna put them back in and show you what it sounds like when they're in place, in the right place. There. I'm putting the key on too, by the way. And then I'll do without the key. Okay, this one. Okay, this one is with the key on. This is the stock. And this is the one which is a little lubed with the key on. Let's test it to these ones which are stock. This one's a little bit lubed. This one is not lubed, a little. You can hear the difference. Bye guys.